Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, July 16th, and we continue reading from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Coming to Terms. After the reading, as usual, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. We are the stage and all the players. One of the greatest contributions of psychology has been to help us understand how we replay our hurts and affections with people other than those who have hurt or touched us. There are many names for it, the more well-known being projection and transference. In essence, we play what has been said or done, or what hasn't been said or done, over and over, until we come to terms with it. The coming to terms is called healing, surrender, letting go, or even forgiveness. Being yelled at and then later kicking the dog is the stereotype of this. Yet more often we replay the styles of clumsy love we experience. For example, while growing up, I endured the cold dismissal of my truest feelings. When I would show my hurt, I was seen as trying to weaken my parents' resolve. Then they would turn their backs on me, as if by showing my pain, I was trying to trick them. Having experienced this, I am especially sensitive to the pains of those close to me. Yet there are times when I catch myself holding firm, just out of reach, replaying my parents' role as well as my own. This is humbling and upsetting, to say the least. But just as germs must run their course, all the players in our dramas must be voiced before they will leave us. Just as we keep trying to get what we never got from someone else who doesn't know our game, we also keep the trespass alive by reenacting it on others nearby, until we can humbly know what it is to be hurtful, the first step toward forgiveness. I have seen myself doing what was done to me, never as cruel or as harsh, but it has been enough to make me tremble at how easy it is to be cruel when afraid, and how difficult it is to accept that we are all capable of terrible things, and how cleansing it is to realize that true kindness breathes just beneath this acceptance. Wow, beautiful reflection, isn't it? So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remind yourself that there is nothing that needs fixing right now. Not your breath, not you, not this moment. Everything is good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder gives you a sense of spaciousness in your whole being, a sense of freedom to let all the experiences of the present moment flow through you effortlessly, as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a few moments to reflect on an insensitivity you have suffered, either in childhood, or in friendship, or in any relationship for that matter. Breathing slowly, let the person who carried this insensitivity drop away and focus on the nature of the insensitivity itself. It might have been a turning away, a rejection, an indifference, a harsh criticism, a rush of anger, or a stealing of feeling towards you. Whatever it is for you, connect with it deeply. And now take a moment to recall the last time you carried a similar insensitivity toward another. Try to recall what led you to do this. Breathing steadily, allow all semblances of insensitivity fall away. Can you do this? How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you again on Thursday.